Zimbabweans in the diaspora have welcomed President Nelson Chamisa's address to the nation on Friday, in which he announced his return to active politics. Diaspora Zimbabweans celebrate Chamisa return. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. In the address, Chamisa said he was coming back at a time when the country was facing serious challenges and widespread suffering. I am back in full force. Our nation is in deep turmoil. Citizens are suffering. The nation is in total disarray, President Chamisa said. His message sparked strong reaction from Zimbabweans living abroad, with many sharing their views on their business for Zimbabweans in the diaspora Facebook platform. And Dr. Lee Ndafa praised the announcement, saying, President Chamisa's return gives hope to Zimbabweans both at home and in the diaspora. Lisa Posting from California said the address struck a chord, adding, hearing President Chamisa say he is back in his full force is encouraging for many of us. Another contributor, Murambiwa, said the message reflected the reality facing ordinary citizens. The suffering he speaks about is real, and his voice still matters, Murambiwa said. Posting under the name The People's Servant, one user said President Chamisa's comeback signaled renewed determination. Many in the diaspora are ready to support leadership that speaks for the people, the user said. President Chamisa said the current situation required bold leadership and renewed action to restore hope and stability in Zimbabwe. Toma developments aripo tioda vari kudiaspora vanoyapa nguva ino achipraiza ari Nelson Chamisa on his return. Pinda comment section medu zvafunguro aimo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like pamwe chete notonga bell icon.